Alright guys, we're back, and in the last video we created a custom theme. We created the layout. We still have some other stuff to do here, but we have a home page, and I want to now create the about and the contact page. So in the CMS in the back end here, we're going to go ahead and click add, and let's call this about, and the URL will be /about. File name will be about. We'll choose the default layout, and let's go down here and we'll put in an H1 and we'll say about us, and then let's just put a paragraph and we'll say this is the about page. It's not really important what it says. That's not the point of this project. And we'll put in HR. Now when we create our component, our links component, I want to list those here, okay? But we're not going to do that just yet. So let's save that, and then let's also create another page which will be contact. Okay, default layout. And as for the HTML, I'm just going to copy what we did in the other theme. So this responsive clean, if we go to pages, there's our contact page. Let's just grab this markup here. Okay, this is all stuff that October will actually put in the file, but we just want the markups. So let's paste that in and let's save it. Okay, and now if we go to our front end, we should be able to go to about. Actually, no, we shouldn't, because it's going to hashtag about. We want it to go to about HTML. Let's see, let's close that up, and let's go to header.html, and we're going to change this stuff here. Let's get rid of that class. Actually, you know what? I'm going to just paste this in. So this code here will actually check to see if, actually that should be just home. It's going to check to see if the page we're on is the home page. If it is, we're going to add class active. Alright, and then for the link, it's going to go to home page, and then we want the pipe and then page. So that's home. Now I'm just going to copy that, and then we'll paste that in here, and then this will be the about page. So we want to change that. We want to change this. Oops. And let's see, right here, I'm going to check to see if it's on the about page. And then we want the contact page. Alright, so let's see if that works. Let's see what's up with the contact. Why the heck is it up there? Oh, I put it outside of the UL. I was going to say, that's really weird. Alright, let's reload. And now we can go to about, we can go to contact. Good. So the home page, which actually is not working, that's because this should actually be home, not home page. There we go. So let's put a Jumbotron on the home page. So let's go back to our CMS here and go to home. And let's just put a div here, and we're going to give it a class of Jumbotron. And let's put an H1. And I actually want to put the site name here. We can use this value in here as well, not just in the layout. So if we say this.theme.site_name, and then let's put a paragraph, and we'll put the description here. Alright, so this.theme.site_description. Alright, and then under that, let's just put a graph, and then there we'll put a link, and that's going to go to the about page. So we just want to do our curly braces. Hopefully you guys can see that. Our curly braces, and let's say about pipe page, and then this will just say read more, and I'm going to give it a class of btn. Oops. btn, and then btn-default, and then let's save that. Let's see, the description isn't showing. Let me actually open it up over here. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I couldn't even see it. Alright, so let's reload, and now we have our description. Let's just give the Jumbotron a class of text center. There we go. So that's our home page, and what I want to do next is the blog. And instead of creating everything from scratch, what I'm going to do is go down to the responsive clean theme, and we're going to grab this whole blog folder right here. Okay, it's in partials actually. Wait, is that what I want? No, I want this in pages. I want this blog folder. We're going to copy it, and then we're going to put it into our pages folder. Paste that in. All right, and then if we go to the back end here and go to pages, let's reload. You'll see we have a blog folder with the blog category listing, the single post, and RSS feed. What we don't have is a list of posts. Okay, so for that, we're going to add a new page, and we're going to call this blog. Set the default, and what we want to do is install a component on this page. So if we go down to components, while still on this, we can actually go and select the post list as a component. All right, and then that has some options, and we want to go down to links and make sure that the category page goes to blog category and post goes to blog post. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. And then what we'll do is add a link to our nav bar. So let's go to our partial, which is header.htm. And I'm just going to copy one of these. And let's put that right here. And then we'll change this to blog. Change that. And that. Okay, save it. Okay, we click on blog, and there's no posts. Let's see, why isn't it showing the posts? Let me just check out the blog HTML page. Oh, we have to insert the component. So right here, let's say component blog posts, and save. And there we go, blog post 2. Let's see, we're sorry. Oh, it's looking for an asset. It's looking for a less file for the blog, and I'm not going to use that. So what we can do is go to, let's see, let's see, links, exceptions. Okay, I don't think we have to do it there. Let's go to the single blog post page, which is this. Oh, right here, resources. I'm actually going to get rid of that. Okay, and then we'll save it. And I think it's on this as well, category. So get rid of resources, because we're not using that less file. All right, so let's go back to the front end and reload. Click on that. And now we go to blog post 2. And we even have some pagination. All right, cool. So it's starting to come together. In the next video, what I want to do is show you how to create a custom component, which is a type of plugin.